We are standing in front of a Champion Home Builders manufactured home over here in Florida. This is the model 2444, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's just over 1,000 square feet. You're gonna see this home is very desirable, especially for a land lease community. As we go up here, you're gonna see this is a 6-foot factory built front porch. They have vinyl siding. Here in Florida with the humidity and heat, this is a great feature. We're here at the home show, so there's gonna be some people walking around, but check this out. They have beautiful linoleum. This linoleum's a lot thicker and a lot more durable than back in the day. They put a window trim. Also, something they do differently out here is you'll see this board halfway up the wall. We're gonna view that kitchen last. I love that built-in shelf right there. As we go to the right here, here's the first kids' room. Wow, this is really a great size room. You can easily fit a queen bed in here. And here are all the different exteriors that you can get with this home. So tell us which one you like the most. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's that floor plan again. Let me go over those. Tell us which one you like the most. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here you have a half front porch, full front porch, and another half front porch. This is a great home for private land or in park. Nope, we'll go in here. Check out this closet. Wow, this closet is much larger than I was expecting. Let me back up, shut this door here, give you a better angle. Champion really did a great job with this home. If you have any questions, again, please leave them in the comment section. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. Thank you for watching this edition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. See you next time.